kugira ngo tugire ingabo ziyevendinga zifata isi nuko zigomba kwakira ijambo authentique.
In order to have a great army, we have to receive authentic word.
Icya kabiri,
second,
nugutegura.
It's to prepare.
Ingabo.
Great army.
Ingabo zo mu bihe bya nyuma.
The end time army.
Abantu bagategurwa.
People be prepared.
Donc ni gute umuntu aba umusirikare wa Yesu?
How do you become a soldier of Jesus?
Ni gute umuntu aba umurangers mu ma?
How can you become a ranger in Jesus Christ?
Ni gute umuntu ashobora kurwana n'ibihe ariko ntibimunyeganyeza?
How can someone fight a season without any shaken?
Ni gute umuntu agomba gutuma Yesu agaragara gusa muri we ntagaragare ibi muri hakagaragara Yesu gusa?
How can someone be manifested Jesus in him, nothing else beside Jesus?
Iyo ni discipleship.
This is a discipleship.
Donc tugategura abantu bakiri bato.
We have to prepare people when they're young.
Tukabategura bangana na ba Samuel.
We prepare them as the level of Samuel.
Kazagera igihe hindura amateka y'igihugu.
To the point where they change nations.
Bakiga kuramya Imana nka ba Dawudi bakiri bato bagachallenginga ibihanda.
They will praise and worship like David. They will challenge a giant.
Donc tugategura abana bakiri munda.
We will prepare sons or children when they still
are Yohana umubatizi na ba Samusoni ba nyina ntibanywa inzoga ndibasambane ntibagire gute umugabo akaba umugabo w'Imana umugore akaba umugore umwana wa bakiri munda.
You have to prepare your sons and your daughter as they still in the womb, like John the Baptist and Samson. Once they were still young and inside the womb, the mother's womb, they were prepared.
Na urarurwana n'umugore ngo yongeye gutwita kandi ari we wayimuteye mukarwanira uwo mwana ukiri mu nda zava umukozi w'Imana gute?
You fight against your wife that she got pregnant, and then you are the one who pregnant her by saying that how did you get pregnant? How can do you think that this person will become servant of God?
Yohana
John the Baptist,
Nina,
her mother, his mother,
baramukanyije.
They were just greetings.
Ngo abana barasimba mu ndabo.
And the children jump inside the
hari communication.
There's a communication.
Donc nyina ntanywa inzoga.
The mother doesn't drink alcohol. They don't smoke.
Magambo.
There's no words.
Umwana akura ari umuhanuzi mu.
The sons or daughter will grow inside the womb as prophets.
Abantu uko bifata batwara abana mu ndigihe batwite kuko bazavamo abakozi bakomeye.
We must train people how to conceive and then carry those baby inside the womb as a prophet and a
umwana yavuka.
When a children is born,
tukamuhungisha inzabibu akaja kurererwa mu butaye ahantu atazahora kuri aya mateleviziyo mwanduza kugira ngo umwikuruka mu za karituni n'ibikino umwana umwime karituni yige kubaho mu bwigunge ashaka Imana kiri mutoya umukure ari Yohana umubatizi yakuriye mu butaye ngo kugeza igihe yiyerekeye abisiraheli. Nukuvuga ngo hari ibintu tugomba kubuza abana bakiri batoya kandi iyo umubuje akiri muto arabireka.
We have to be very, very intense raising our children, not raising them on a cartoon, not raising them watching anything, pollution of the world. We must be intense and on raising our children, parenting. Intentionally raising our children, to raise them in a desert like John the Baptist. He had to be raised in a desert to the point where he was manifested, where he was full of the Holy Spirit. We have to teach them not to fight or to quarrel. Do not beat your wife while she's pregnant. Do not insult your wife while she's pregnant. The children will be affected inside the mother's womb. We must teach the mother and the father to have a peace inside the home. Why? Because we are preparing the next generation.